everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can check my videos. I hope it will be helpful to you. And today I am making an home decor. Wait, I will show you. I have taken two color clothes. The first one is pink and the second one is velvet, dark pink in shade. Now I have taken the spiral register, and I will cut the thick sheet from back. I have taken two sheets and now I am cutting squares, each length 13 centimeter. You need 4 squares of the same size, and I cut the cloth of the same size. Now stick the cloth on sheet and paste it with Fevicol. You can paste it with fabric glue or hot glue gun. It's as per your choice. Now let it dry. I have done it and trimmed with all the 4 pieces. Now take a contrasting color sheet. Here I have taken baby pink and I have written word home in it and cut the pieces in capital letters. Now cut the alphabet and take both color wool, and I have cut small pieces of both the color wools and stick it on one side with Fevicol or fabric glue, both vertically and horizontally direction, to make a design like this. You will see in a minute. I have taken purple wool because it will be matched to the pink and velvet dark pink color. Now I am sticking the alphabets with Fevicol on it and decorate it with mirrors of different sizes and shapes. Here I have done it with 4 of them. Now I have taken dark pink velvet cloth and fold it in half. Now cut the lines in between them as shown in the video, and roll the sheet to the end. Here I have taken white wool piece. You can also take a rubber band. I have made these jhumars. Now paste it on the back with the help of tape or hot glue gun as per your wish. Stick it well. Now I am pasting some extra mirrors on it, and it is ready. See a glimpse of this. Go and check out my another YouTube channel, Jahanvi'S Vlog World. Link is in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Check out my Instagram and Facebook account. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in a brand new video. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe and keep growing.